start. Border villages are of utmost significance to a country for a multitude of reasons. Stop. Firstly, they serve as the first line of intelligence against any external threat, as exemplified by the Kargil War of 1999, when the local shepherds altered the authorities about the infiltration of enemy forces. Stop. In Arunachal Pradesh, the indigenous populace residing in the border areas has time and again reported construction activities carried out by China's People Liberation Army along the line of actual control, promoting the authorities for swift whistle stop. Thus, the locals play a pivotal role in providing valuable intelligence to the security forces and help in safeguarding the territorial integrity of the nation. Stop. The strategic importance of populating and developing border villages has long been recognized by governments worldwide. Stop. India, with its vast land borders and diverse cultural landscape, has taken a significant step towards this goal through the centrally sponsored scheme Vibrant Villages Program, or VVP. Stop. In February this year, the Union Cabinet approved this program with the financial allocation of rupees 4800 crore for the years 2022-23 to 2025-26. Stop. After India gained independence, while most of the country was making progress, border villages unfortunately got left behind in terms of development. Stop. This led to a host of issues such as poor connectivity, substandard infrastructure, and difficult living conditions, which subsequently resulted in massive out-migration. Stop. Those who stayed behind in their villages fear exclusion from mainstream development processes. Stop. Their major concerns include education of children, old age care, good health facilities, access to quality physical infrastructure, and above all, remunerative income opportunities outside agriculture. Stop. These challenges are further compounded by the location of the villages in high security zones, where there is a pervasive perception of threat or conflict. Stop. A classic example of this is the state of Uttarakhand, where the border districts have been grappling with the massive out-migration of people due to the hostile living conditions, poor infrastructure, and lack of essential amenities such as healthcare and education. Stop. The predicament is documented in Population Census 2011, which shows a very slow growth of population in most of the mountain districts of the state. Stop. Shockingly, over 185 villages in 3 border districts of Uttarakhand have been declared as completely depopulated and are now known as ghost villages. Stop. Most of the villages belong to Pithoragarh district that share border with China and Nepal. Full stop.